I was so tired of being broke, not having the money to do the things I wanted to do, to go travel, to see kids, to just do the things I want to do. And the thing that made me search for opportunities, things that drove me to try the MLMs, the team building companies, all the auto ships with stuff I didn't really want and couldn't afford, but tried it and made a few pennies back, but that was about it. So being frustrated with all that, the thing that made me decide to join this community of over 24,000 like-minded entrepreneurs was that I saw over 20 people since the beginning of January get into making six figures. People, that's for real. Six figures and more. And people are doing it all the time. I intend to be one of them. So if you'd like to join me, put yes in the comments and let me send you the information so that you can get started and learn how to do this for yourself. Have a great day.